Hey, what's up guys, it's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're working in Newport Richey, Florida. We're here for a returning customer. Last time I was here was 2 years ago in July. I did the pool cage, the gutters, cleaned the driveway. Matter of fact, I did a rust removal on this job here. If you watch this video, it's probably one of my most watched videos, I believe. I think the thing has like 25,000 views or 20,000 views last time I checked it. So I demonstrated using rust aid on this job last time I was here. So this video is just to show you guys what the rust looks like 2 years later. You guys know, that's not something that's gonna stop unless you fix the issue, which, what I'm saying, over here is the well system. They got to get a filter for it. So it's not as bad, but it's gonna come back. So today we're gonna be using oxalic acid instead of rust aid. Pretty much it's the same thing. Oxalic acid, you have to mix it yourself. Rust aid you can get from Home Depot, Lowe's, or somewhere else, and then you just apply it straight on the concrete or pavers or the walls, whatever you're using it on. But oxalic acid, you got to mix it. That's the only difference. And oxalic acid, you can mix it as strong as you want. The rust aid is probably a little bit diluted down, more user friendly, so you don't kill plants and grass and all that crazy stuff. Oxalic acid, you gotta be careful with that. So therefore, I got the oxalic acid for my big project I did with the rust removal in the subdivision. So this is it right here. Got a big 50-pound bag of it. I'm mixing in my bucket right here. Oxalic acid breaks down better in hot water, but you can use it in cold water as well. In this bucket, I don't have a big section to use. I'll show you guys, but I'm gonna mix it. I'm mixing it right now about 12 ounce per gallon, and I think I got about 3 gallons in here. I think that's gonna be more than enough to treat this area that I'm gonna work on. So I'm gonna let this sit and break down a little bit further. I'm gonna show you guys the job. Okay, so you guys remember the first time I came here, I think I was with my son. I did a test spot and I showed you guys. I had did one of the blocks here. I'll link the video up top as well so you guys can watch it when I did it last time. But you can see the rust stains is coming back, mostly around the edges of the sidewalk. Got a little bit right here along the side right here. Got quite a bit right here by the front gate. You can see it all throughout here. All across the front. I think the oxalic is gonna work pretty fast. And this is the other side. You can see there's more rust stains along the edges. So we're gonna try the oxalic on it today. I'm gonna use my and this thing is not breaking down. I got clumps in the oxalic acid. The big bag clumps up. And also oxalic acid, you can get it from Amazon. You can get a smaller bag. Sometimes I buy the little 10-pound bag, if I need something small for little projects here and there. The reason I got this big bag, like I said, I had a big project, so I needed a few bags. Actually, I had 3 of them. So we're gonna let that break down a little bit more and stir it up. And I'm gonna use my 4K soft wash pail sprayer to spray it. You can use a pump up sprayer as well, a hand pump up sprayer as well if you want to. Follow along closely. Mind you guys, I already cleaned the driveway already, so I got a clean canvas to spray. I like to do the cleaning first before I do the rust removal. And I'm not speeding this up. I'm gonna show you guys. Just watch as it's gonna disappear. not gonna speed this video up at all. Like I said, I'm not speeding this up so you guys can see it in real time. All the rust is already gone. Cleaned up good. I'm gonna give it a nice little rinse when I'm done. Just because we're near the grass, you don't want to take no risk. You know what I'm saying? So it's best to go ahead and just rinse it. So we're gonna do a little recap to show you guys so far where I sprayed. You can see the edges are really clean. All the rust is gone. Same thing over here with this sidewalk. Completely cleaned up. The bucket sprayer is fast because it's 12 volt, 1 gallon per minute. So I'm spraying pretty fast. You don't have to slow down really. You guys can see this part here. I'm gonna make it disappear now. Alright, now we're just gonna rinse it off. You don't have to rinse it off, but the rest is already gone, so there's no need to just let it stay there. Just go ahead and give it a good rinse all that stuff up, especially around the grass. Just make sure I get all these plants just in case overspray got on them. Just making a quick little short video for you guys, show you guys the update, you know, how it looks from a year later. You side right here was full of rust. Rinse that gate off. Got a lot of dirt on it. Okay, let's check it out. We're all finished and wrapped up. It's crazy. I'm about like 40 minutes away from home, and a guy stopped me. He's like, "I watch you on YouTube. You were doing a cage. Can you come look at my house?" That's crazy, right? But anyway, let's check this job out. So this is the walkway here. All they rinsed off. All that rust is out of there. Check out the driveway. We got a lot of rust along the edges. Over here by the gate. All gone. This is the other side. All the way down. In and out. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed a quick video. So if you got rust stains at your home, you can do it yourself, or you can call a professional to do it. Either way it goes, let's get the job done. See y'all in the next one.